Hello, I am Ivan from the TNC, the new channel. And we are here in the Howlers 3.0. And what is your name, ate?
Hi, I'm Stephanie Mitchell Placino.
May ilang question lang ako. How is your experience here in the Howlers 3.0?
Masaya kasi bihira lang ako umattend ng concert and nakakilala ako ng mga iba kong friends na meet ko dito. And also solid yung crowd.
Actually, this is your first time attending in this kind of event?
Yes po, yes.
What is the best part here in the Howlers?
Yung best part is nung kumanta si James Reid. Actually, madaming part na nag-enjoy ako. Pero fan talaga ako ni James Reid. And nung nakita ko siya, na-starstruck ako. That's all po.
Thank you, ate. I am Ivan from the TNC. Meron ka bang gustong i-shoutout?
Shoutout sa mga ka-block ko dyan. Shoutout. And shoutout sa nanay tatay ko.
Thank you so much.